In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a countdown timer in Proof so you can boost urgency and increase conversions on your site in no time. Whether you're new to Proof or just looking to add a simple countdown feature, you're in the right place. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to implement a timer that engages visitors and drives action. Plus, I've got an exclusive bonus for you. Keep watching to find out how you can try Proof completely free. Now let's dive straight into how to create that countdown timer. Proof is an incredibly versatile tool, and one of its powerful features is the ability to display a countdown timer that can really make a difference on your site's performance. The first thing you want to do is log into your Proof account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. I'll tell you how to get started for free with a special link in the description. Once you're in, go to your dashboard and you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Click on the New Campaign button, and from there, you'll select Countdown Timer as your campaign type. Proof makes this process straightforward with a clean, user-friendly interface. Next, you'll customize the countdown timer to suit your needs. The first option you'll see is setting the end date and time for your timer. This is the date and time when the offer, promotion, or event ends. It's really important to pick a time that aligns with your sales goals. Whether it's for a flash sale or a special event, this timer is a great way to add urgency to your offer. Make sure it's set to the right time zone to avoid any confusion. Once that's set, you can move on to the visual customization options. Proof allows you to customize the color, font, and size of the timer to match your branding. You'll want to make sure the timer stands out, but not in a way that clashes with your site's overall design. Pick a color that pops without feeling out of place. Proof also gives you the option to add a call to action, CTA, alongside the timer. This is where you can really boost conversions. Add text that encourages people to act now, something like hurry, limited time only, or claim your offer before it's gone. You want the urgency from the timer to match the message. The call to action is key to turning urgency into actual sales. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to move on to the display settings. You can choose where on your page you want the countdown timer to appear. It could be a floating element on the page, a banner at the top, or in a specific section of your website. Make sure it's in a place where visitors can't miss it, but also not intrusive to the overall browsing experience. Next, Proof allows you to set up targeting rules. You can decide when and where the countdown timer should show up, based on factors like whether the visitor is a first-time user or if they've been on the page for a certain amount of time. This helps to show the timer at the most strategic moment to increase engagement and conversion. Once your settings are all in place, hit Save and activate the campaign. Proof makes it easy to track the performance of your countdown timer so you can see if it's having the impact you hoped for. You'll get analytics right in your dashboard, showing you how many people are seeing the timer, how many click on the CTA, and ultimately how much it's helping boost conversions. And remember, the key to making your countdown timer truly effective is to pair it with a strong offer. A countdown creates urgency, but it's the offer that really pushes people to act. Don't waste the potential of the timer by not backing it up with something valuable. As I mentioned earlier, if you're new to Proof, you can start using it for free. Just click the first link in the description below to get an exclusive extended free trial with additional bonuses that will give you a head start in your digital marketing strategy. Trust me, the results can be game-changing. By now, you know how to create a countdown timer in Proof and make it work for you. The urgency it creates can lead to higher conversion rates and more engagement with your visitors. If you want to dive deeper into Proof's features and see how it can take your marketing to the next level, remember to use that link below for your free trial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your campaigns.